The chariot awaits Queen Chocolate and Queen Vanilla. Guys, are you with us? We're on live right now. The chariot, Queen Chocolate, Queen Vanilla. Guys, you can also follow us at Jet and Sprinter Rentals. What do you guys think? Here they are. Woo. Stunning, stunning, beautiful. The chariot awaits Queen Chocolate and Queen Vanilla.
I think we're queens.
Guys are beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay. Beautiful vehicle, Rolls Royce Ghost. All white. Guys, it's stunning.
We're so excited already. Thank you.
Thank you. Hey, kings and queens.
What's up?
We're coming, we're on our way.
We're so excited. We're so excited. Yeah, so excited.
All right.
We're gonna see with auntie. Gonna see with auntie.
Yes.
Let's see with auntie. Yes. Y'all good? Y'all good? Huh? Look at Miss Vanilla. Ain't she gorgeous? Ain't she gorgeous? Look at her.
Hey. These are my sister Chocolate, gorgeous.
Look at her. I want y'all to see Vanilla's outfit.
Let me show you.
No, can I show you? I said I'll show you. Driver will be right there. Okay, we have to talk to our kings and queens. Sorry. Yes, we love our people. Yes, they're still here. It's at 3:34 right now. We love our folks, so they want to see us. Yeah, so
yes,
we have to show. Let me hold that, please. Thank you. Let me show you Miss Vanilla's. Hold it. Oops, me tried turning. Look at Vanilla. She is stunning. Twirl for me, darling. Twirl. 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 Yes, let me see your pocketbook, honey. We don't usually model, so we're awkward, you understand? We're awkward. We're not used to modeling, yes.
all right, let me show you.
Yeah, show me. Oh,
All right,
God.
hold on. My turn.
Vanilla, please, Vanilla, please.
Look at my beautiful sister. Yes. Woo woo. All right. Yes.
Turn it around. Guys.
All right,
Thank you guys so much.
We're on our way.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
Wanna
thank you.
expect when they not gonna show our body. You wanna know that we're exquisite diamonds. When you go to shop for exquisite diamonds, they're not laying out on the shelf where everybody can see it, right? Yes, priceless diamonds. They're in a cage or you have to make an appointment to see them.
That's right.
And Mr. Daly has a lifetime appointment of seeing this body.
And my husband has a lifetime appointment.
Yes.
That's it.
And besides, we're queens.
That's right.
Yes.
Elegance with it.
Elegance. How you guys doing? I'm sorry. I want to turn up here. All right, Vanilla, stop rushing me now.
I'm not rushing.
God, I want to talk to the people now. Oh, go on in my car if you want. Yes, guys. Anyway, she just a pressure me, so. Yeah. So, me not keep it out here. Go on in a car. Cause you're fragile, I'm not fragile. Yeah. Guys, yes, we're ready for go mingle. We're ready for go kiss up, hug up, and mingle. I take off the glasses. We're ready for go mingle. Yes. We're ready for go see me auntie. Welcome, Planka Boss, to the United States of America.
Welcome, Auntie
yes.
Donna, to the United States.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
When they say you couldn't, God says
You can.
you can. And he showed up.
You can.
And he showed out, didn't
Yes.
he? Yes.
Yes.
We're ready for go mingle with the beautiful people, them.
That's
Yes. Go kiss up my auntie. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Yes. Big up on yourself, and we'll come back on when we get there. Yeah, man. Yes. We're about to go strip in a Rolls Royce. Huh? Wanna think? I first time we're going on Rose, right? Yeah. Let me see what I say. Let me see what I say. I first time we're going on Rose on the answer way. May I listen for your answer? Maybe you want to say. I want somebody answer my question. Who to answer my question? Who to answer my question? Me nah. Janet Love said. Okay. Alright. My people them know me. My people them know me. So that's the first time we show it. Right. I love you guys. And there's absolutely nothing y'all can do about it. We'll come back, alright? So, one vanilla, you can go on in. Never turn it off. You can let her in, driver. Thank you. Get in. Vanilla. Vanilla look like a movie star, doesn't she? I'll crush up the gift in there. Alright, she's in, guys.
Vanilla, you can stay on that side.
Yeah, she's fine. Yes, alright.
There you go. Let me help you with the dress.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can you grab my phone and take it off of it? Thank you.
Get a nice picture of you guys.
Oh, thank you.
You ready? Just gotta put that phone down. So you
Okay.
look better.
You
All
all want?
right. All right. Look at the camera. All right.
Got it? Ah, thank you.
Oh, thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
I'll
My
send you.
dress is
It's
out.
good, yup.
You got my dress? All right, we're carrying on in here. Sit. No one, no sit down on my lap. Sit down on my lap. If you can't hold, sit down on my lap. One of they're not gonna bring nobody in our front seat.
You guys ready?
But
Yes.
yes, we're
Who
ready.
booked? Was it you or?
Me.
Can you just reply to the text message that
Okay, I will. Can I get my phone,
they
please?
sent you a text?
Yeah, I got it. Thank you.
He had a heart attack.
Okay.
It was one of the most devastating experiences our family has ever had to face.
Let me reply to the
Don't have to wait.
text.
Get your heart checked today. Dial
Just let them know you know cars here, whatever.
Okay.
For Middletown Medical same-day heart health checkup. Stress and anxiety play a major role.
Oh, they said the chariot awaits. Okay.
Nah, I had wrote it just.
Okay. Okay, so what do you want me to say?
Hey, kings and queens.
here?
Say
Hey.
thank you. We see you at Rolls
Okay.
Royce.
Yes,
Thank
we're
you.
on our way to
Rolls
the
Royce
Night of
car.
Elegance.
See the car.
You.
Yes. We're on our way to the Night of Elegance. Auntie Donna, we're so happy that you were able to come. We're so happy that you were able to come. And we're looking forward to seeing you here in the U.S., here in New York. I gotta fix that.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, hold on. I had to turn down the volume.
Oh, can you get that off the?
It'll come off in a second.
Hi guys, yes. So, Auntie, I know you were looking forward for us. You invited us to be in Manhattan last night, but we missed our flight.
It didn't work.
We missed our flight, you know, but we're so happy we get a chance to see you tonight. Yes, to hang out with you, to let you know how much we love you and how proud we are of you. And if anybody has any question, now I hope they see that I love you for free.
Free, we say
because
free.
my taste is so expensive.
Free, we say
you
free.
would go broke.
Yes.
Oh, but I love you.
We
You know,
love you,
I
Auntie.
just want to put it out there for the people that will always accuse us because we love so freely and so genuinely. They think we get paid to defend someone that we love. But just to let you know,
It's
no,
for free.
it's for free. I didn't know that already.
Auntie, no.
People that buy you know that already. I will love you guys. for
Yes,
free.
we love you, kings and queens, for free.
Yes. So we're about to roll out to the Night of Elegance, starring the one and only Dr.
Donna
Marie
Gao,
aka
DMG.
Plank boss to the flipping world.
To the flipping world, we say.
To the flipping world. Yes.
Yes.
We can't wait for to bring him. For give him a message from Master Baker.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? Yes. You know, me can't wait to see everybody there.
Yes.
Even who not like, if people there that don't like us, we still want to see you and give you a hug because love is my religion.
That's right.
You know, and I can never harbor such a thing called hate.
Nope.
No, look how blessed I am. Why should I harbor hate in my heart?
That's right.
It's the goodness of God. Yes.
God's grace and mercy.
Can I get this, please? Yes. I love you, Lord, for your mercies never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God. I have to sing of his goodness. You understand, my kings and queens? In everything, I have to remember him. Yes, in all things, I have to acknowledge him. I love you, Mike. Thank you for that sweet little gift you sent me. Thank you. I love you guys, all right? Love you guys. Wonder why me talk, sir. Me run out of lyrics. You know, see good? I could be got some people in I comment. May you wall it out super far or me can't see.
Well, because more, I have to show both of you.
Okay.
Alicia.
Talk them now.
Desireen, pick up yourself. Charmaine. LaFame.
Gloria.
Gloria. Marie
Aaliyah.
Stewart.
Are we
Aaliyah.
waiting for someone?
These people to move.
Oh yeah, they're blocking the way. Okay.
Anita. Alicia. Big up. Maxine. June, thank you so much.
Vanessa, how are you?
Karen Blair.
Karen Blair. Yes, Karen.
Anne Marie.
Wagwan, Karen, Vanessa. Mr. Vanessa already. Lord, it a fly.
Hazel Smith.
Yes, Eiley
Chrissy
Favor.
Dunn.
Eiley Favor.
Thank you so much.
Chrissy,
Thank
and
you.
Marie Mills. Jennifer Gooden.
Jennifer Gooden. Big up. Alicia.
Big up yourself. Yeah.
Big up, honey.
Big up.
Yes, we'll give her a big hug for you.
We will.
We
What
promise.
we do.
Yes,
Uh-huh.
we promise we'll give her a big
Dear
hug.
we for do something. On a dear we queens, what we do tonight. Dear we. You know you have truth or dear we. One dear we for do. Nothing out of way for me not do nothing. You know me not do nothing out of love. Not out of love, you understand? So it have to be something with love. Dear me. What do I want dear me for do? What else said? We can't. You know, read nothing you want,
Sorry,
sure,
I
but
was
you.
paying attention to what was happening.
Oh, okay. Gonna want dear me for the have a good time, ladies. Thank you, Anne Marie. Anise, so beautiful. Thank you, Anise. Anisha, thank you. Thank you all so much for all the compliments, for all the love. We are humbled. Thank you so very much. We appreciate it. Yes, we appreciate it. It's kind of dark because we're in the garage. That's why it's so dark. We're in the garage at the hotel. Okay? So, bear with us. It's dark. And then inside here is dark too with all the... You see the little stars and stuff up there? Yeah. Dark. Dark. But I know me will stay up here for heaven and chat to me. I'm not going to come out when we reach. We're not far from there. We're not going to say it because, you know, mad people out here.
We don't want people.
Mad people are threatened. And me really no want. And I can say it. You understand? What time it's starting? You know, I can't tell black people nothing about time. We just show up when time we're ready. You understand? When we're ready. And we already know. I already know. I know we're ready. I can't wait to meet everybody that's there. I can't wait to see them. If you not watch me, I don't do that. I'm not afraid to kiss me on my rosy cheek.
You want some hugs?
I will smell good, you know.
Yeah.
Our mouth clean, you see, like a
Mouth fresh.
whistle. Fresh, man. I'm afraid if it chokes me. Yeah? As long as I'm mouth clean. Yeah, man. Kiss me up, man. Yeah, I come like one like a teddy, you know. Yeah. Come like teddy, me soft though. Yeah. Me dainty. Yeah. Me soft and dainty. Just nobody broke me. Take your time with me. Not taking the time with me. You understand? But I can't love upon me, man. Love upon me. Nobody afraid of dress and say, it diamond them out drop off. Make them drop off. You ain't get to feel last forever. Make them drop off. Yes. Mess up me ear. Do everything. Anything you don't want to do. Do it to me. As long as it's out of love. Yeah. As long as it's out of love. You hear me? When I comment then I go fast. I'm the far from it. So I know ignore me and ignore. You know? Vanilla of it. Way over so I can't see. What them talk sir. Me say. Yeah man. Not gonna go on like say me look too cute if you not hug up on. No sir. Hug up on me man. Rub up on me. Squeeze up my little cheek then.
We're not gonna broke.
Nobody feel intimidated. You understand? Rub up on me, hug up on me, kiss up my jaw and say, yeah man, kiss up my jaw and say, sunlight, sorry. So we're up on the highway. Yeah man, rub up my jaw and say, man. You know, we can't flex. The sunlight, people. We can't flex, you know. Master bacon are there. So, not gonna be no problem. Yeah. And a master bacon is a chocolate, a nice one. A master bacon now. Water. Water. She not like nobody pet up her, lotion her. Yeah, that's she don't want none of that.
Pet powder or lotion.
She don't want pet powder or lotion. Yeah. Yes.
Max bracelet.
Max bracelet.
Maxine Edwards.
Maxine Edwards.
Suzette.
One wants to settle away.
Forrester.
I don't know some when I chat that
Queen
one.
Maxine. The original. We're right here. We're right here. Vanilla. We're right here.
But talk to them not you alone now. Me chat enough. Parrot in a mature.
Well, go on, my kings and queens. On ready for tonight? We say, all right. Yes. Yes, Master Baker, now no behavior. Right about the one there. You remember say, we're supposed to bring Master Baker for do my makeup. Eh? Yes, me have to hide from Master Baker. Yeah, me have to hide from her. Couldn't make her see me when me da left. Me have to run left her. Yeah. Some people can't pay for these beautiful dresses I'm looking at. Oh, thank you, Felix. Marlene Levy, pick up yourself.
Marlene, darling, how are you, sweetheart?
Madeline.
When the fox can't get the grapes, they say it's sour. Yeah. No, my love.
Masnakog. Big up.
Yes, you know, people will not make for talk, you understand? Yeah, I understand. And when me asleep, people are think about me to backside. That's something important, you know, son. But me not gonna use on tonight and look for no croc lizard, yeah? No.
It not happen.
We just gonna have fun tonight. We ain't thinking about nobody. We just think about God and Him goodness and we auntie in a big foreign.
Ray!
I mean, I forgot to be honest with you. I think about Miss Lawton good up food. I wonder if Miss Lawton ever have no church pork there. And Miss Lawton, I don't want you to come on like a bullshit because Night of Elegance, you put one little tatter sitting on the plate and one little data sitting on what I can't see. And one little dot, that's all, that's all. For barbecue chicken, I want to identify another barbecue chicken. Yeah, I don't want a chicken ball. I like a ball. Yeah, I throw you up in my ear and just pull my mouth and catch it. Yeah. Nobody come with that kind of nobody come with the little bougie restaurant thing, you understand? Because we dress nice and classy. No bother with it. Me come with me long go. And take wash out. Yeah. Just like to make people laugh, that's all. Yes, man. So who else did I not tell me who reached? So we can know. We're excited. We're not even been watching social media to know if anybody reached. Yeah. Alright, man.
Miss Lottie, make sure the food enough. What that them say?
Oh, and just to make anybody know where. I don't know why Master Baker just keep pop up in me. You understand? I want to stay in a chocolate. Master Baker just provoke me from wherever she there, you know. Yeah, I mean now make Master Baker come in at me. Because Master Baker want me to say,
Master Baker
in here is very cool and I can feel it upon every dress.
Oh,
yes. You can feel it upon the
yes,
dress.
Man.
Oh, Jesus. Feel nice upon the
yeah, man.
Nice upon the dress.
But you know, say the pum pum did done that.
I never did tell you if it goes so vulgar.
Mistake. Remember the letter. All right.
No, nobody never.
The letter come to fruition, just to say.
No, Miss Jesus God.
But just to say the letter come to fruition. We say AC. All right.
Jesus God. Then they sound cool up in there, you see.
Breeze out.
Yeah, nice and cool.
Cool. Yes. Nice and cool, we say.
The more turning an ice cube. Jesus God.
Yeah.
Yeah. The more turning an ice cube. I want to reach over, just jump in the one glass and you buy.
Nadia.
Oh God,
Thank you so much, Marvia.
Jump in that glass. Yeah, money. Come off here before we get ourselves in that trouble. Because you know we're not no behavior.
No, we're not. No behavior from morning.
Yeah, we're so rich, guys.
Yeah, we're so rich. I think
we're just a guess.
we're a guess. Them say them will come get you.
Ooh.
Them will come get Master Baker during the event, and when the event done, them will bring Master Baker back.
Me feel like so them like Master Baker more than me. You understand? Me would get jealous, you know. You understand? Me would get jealous. Yeah, big body Master Baker with no behavior.
Clown outfit. Can't wear no clown outfit. We ain't no clown.
I ain't a clown. I want a cheap. I want a shop at dollar store.
No.
Yeah. We can't do it. You understand me? Yeah. Our body is a temple. You understand? And we have to treat it as such. Yeah?
That's right.
Yes, ma'am.
We're queens.
We are queens. Now we can't show with titty and make it look like two scorpion itch up on the nipple. We can't do that. That is not us.
That's not queen behavior.
Sorry, can't do that. Yeah, we're not now make with titty them look like some mash out two prune and slap them on the nipple. Can't do that.
We love you too. We love you too, kings and queens. That's right. No dollar store around here.
No,
That's about dollar store for.
No, yeah. We can't make two slap on two scorpion for me titty nipple them and call it semi-dress night. Me can't do it. Me don't want to embarrass my family then. Can't do it. A man must see me and wonder how them look, how my nipple them look, and how certain part of me look.
It's supposed to leave something to the imagination. Flawless rain, pick up yourself.
Flawless rain, yes, flawless. And you have there's a difference between sexy and trashy. Or classy and trashy. You understand? No. We are pulling up. We are about to pull up. To each them own, but just don't trouble we. You understand me? Just don't trouble we. Like we be who we are, you be who you be. Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah, man. We can't afford to be intelligent woman.
Really, Flawless?
And look like
Flawless, say the line along.
the line long? No, sir. Yeah, you know, so we're gonna sit down in there till if the line reduce. Them not have no.
Yes, we are gonna do our best.
We don't have no VIP. We don't have no VIP line. Everybody in a long line on out the door there. I know you me poil though. No, you me poil. Lord Jesus, God, I can't manage. If the line long, we are sit down right in here and cool and keep cool until the line reduce. You understand? Yes, Lord. Oh, yes, Lord. I see it set to go. When the line boils down to gravy. You understand? When the line boils down to gravy. How far away we are?
2 minutes.
2 minutes. We're 2 minutes away.
2 minutes, we say 2 minutes.
Flawless, you dear run, come kiss me. On my jaw. Both of them. Yeah, meet me. Flawless, come out of the line and come sit down right in here with me. We have one buckle in here for
Of
pop.
course, Marilyn.
Come pop a buckle with me in here. Flawless.
Gillette Davis, pick up yourself.
Well, stand up in that line out there.
Alright, the street is closed. So.
Oh, them close off the street right here.
Yeah.
Oh, and there's no, oh, it's a one-way too.
Can I just let somebody off?
Yeah.
Can I just let them off because they got heels on? They just gonna get out and I'm gonna leave. Yeah, I'm gonna leave, yeah. Can I go through? Yeah.
Where will you be waiting for us? When we're ready.
I'm gonna park not too far away.
Oh, okay. Let's see. There's
Thank
a
you,
long
boss.
line.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. Mwah. Where's the entrance?
Right here, where the big line is at.
Oh! Holy Jesus. Holy Jesus.
There is a long line.
Oh, you put down those.
Flawless wasn't joking.
There's 2 lines, look, 2 ways.
Oh, 2 lines? What?
Yeah! That's you, Dr. Don Dava? Who's Dr. Donna? That's you?
No.
I don't see her. Oh, Dr. Donald. Oh, we'll tell you more later. You can.
All right, guys. We'll be back.